Welcome to Lesson 2 for ESLEO. This lesson is about the 12 verb tenses. I like to make it bigger. You can also download it. I'm just going to make it bigger. So the 12 verb tenses are, there's 8 of them. These are the 12 verb tenses here. So in this passage below, you're expected to read these and identify the 12 verb tenses. If you can't, don't worry. I bet you the vast majority of people could not. But if you said, we arrived in Canada a year ago, and you said, oh, arrived, that's past tense. Okay, that's good. That's past simple. On the day of our arrival, it was snowing and freezing cold. Ooh, that's past continuous. Okay, was snowing. Nice. Now, it's past continuous because it gives you the day, like the specific time. We can use the past progressive where it has the be verb, it was, were, plus ing. We came, there's simple past, from the Middle East where we were used to very hot temperatures and had never seen snow before. Ooh, had never seen, woo-hoo. Had plus the third form of the verb is past perfect. Woohoo, had never seen. Now, the reason why? Because you used before. If it's something like amazing, then you can use the past perfect. Like, I had never been to Niagara Falls before. So I had never been to Niagara Falls. What a shock. Since then, we have adjusted. Ooh, since then we have adjusted. Have plus the third form of the verb, that would be present perfect. We have adjusted to Canada's winters. That's when there's something like major, like going from hot to cold, that's a big deal. Whenever it's something big, we use the perfect form. We do not love the winters. Oh, there's present simple. But we have found many ways to cope with the cold. Oh, good for you. At the moment, however, it is summer. Present perfect, or present simple, and we are enjoying every minute of it. Oh, we're enjoying every minute. That's present continuous, right? Right now we are enjoying. So it's the be plus ing. Because we know soon it will be winter again. It will be winter. Will, it's future, plus the simple form. Hopefully by the time we are old, we will have found ways. We will have found, that's future perfect. By the time we're old, so it gives you a time in the future. You can use future perfect with with will, have, and the third form of the verb. So here's the 12 tenses chart. I would suggest clicking on it. 12 tenses chart is really helpful to nail these things down and just see them. I like to download these. I'm going to download this. Let's just look at a few of them. Present simple. When do we use it? We use it when we have words like this: always, usually, often, or even never. You can use never for present perfect too, so be aware of that. Never can be used for both of these. You could say, I never eat pizza. Okay, maybe it's not a big deal, but if you want to say it's a big deal that you've never eaten pizza, you say, I have never eaten pizza. So this one, it's just like, I never eat pizza. Not important. If you want to show how important this thing is, then use present perfect. What do we do when we do a question? We have to use the do verb, right? If you're negative, again, use the do verb. Do not. Present continuous, when you're doing something now, use the be plus ing. Be plus ing. Am, is, are plus ing. And for the question, put the be verb at the beginning. And the negative, just use not. So you can't use I am do not eating. I am did not. No. You just say I am not eating. Just one helping verb. Be verbs and be, do, have are called helping verbs. Present perfect. Ooh. When you want to say you just did something, you already did something, you never ever yet since done something, then you can use have or has plus the third form. So I have eaten pizza. Oh yeah, big deal. Have I eaten pizza? Then you switch the order. You put the have first and then the third form of the verb. Use the not here. Present perfect continuous. These are for things that are long and important. I have been eating pizza all day. I have been eating pizza since this morning. I have been eating pizza for the past week. Have I been eating pizza? Put this in front, plus the, so it's the have, has, plus been, plus ing. Okay, this one you just put the not. Past simple. These are just things that happen, not important. Yeah, and not a specific time. So I ate pizza. Okay, cool. I ate pizza yesterday. I ate pizza last week. I ate pizza in 1984. That's funny. Past continuous, that's when you need a time. Then, at that moment, at that time. I was eating pizza at that moment. I was eating pizza then. Okay, so it has to have a time that you're referring to, not just that. And it has to be something kind of longer. Like eating pizza doesn't take a second, it takes a couple minutes at least. I was eating pizza when the phone rang. Okay, the phone rang, that was the time. Gotcha. Past perfect. I'm just going to stop there because there's just too many. But yeah, if you have these words, you got to use past perfect. Had plus the third form. Past perfect continuous. If it's something that was long or really important, I had been eating pizza for the last week. When I had been eating pizza for the last week. Okay, good. Future simple, you know that one. Future continuous, might not know that one. It's when you're talking about the future event that's longer. And what I mean by longer, it takes more than a couple minutes. Hopefully that was useful. Review of the 12 tenses. So watch that video. Watch this video.
The auxiliary, the verb to be, and the subject. So am I, are you, or is he, for example.
These are all meant to help you. So please, please, please watch them. There's a practice video, worksheet, there's quizzes, fill in the blanks quiz. These are going to be just like your, just like the test that you're going to have to do. So here's the test. You have two chances to do it. These are some of the questions. To this day, New Belgium, maybe we can do this one together. To this day, okay, so we're given a time, New Belgium Brewing. So this is the subject, this is the thing. America's first wind power brewery. Always, which one should go in this ... Something to make both a better beer and a better society. This is a tough question. It's a tough statement, isn't it? It's long, kind of confusing. But we just know that we have a date. You remember America's first, always. So always, when you always do, when do we use always? So we can go back to our chart, right? Where's our chart? There's our chart. Always. Oh, always. Okay. There's always. So you can go back to this. This one. It's this one. Always. So we use always for simple present. So we found that key word there, which was always. Always. Simple present. Simple present is just that one, right? Because it says always. The key word was always. So that's what I want you to look for, is those key words that will give away the correct tense. So if we saw always, so it's going to be just this one. You just simple present, just the verb. Just the verb. And then you can continue doing the test. Hopefully that was helpful to you. I didn't ramble on too long. Good luck.